I am being called to tell the story that I've been trying really hard to avoid telling. If you know me or you saw my pinned video here on TikTok, then you're aware that I left an abusive marriage, and I did what any semi-rational single mom with a special needs daughter would do, and I bought a travel trailer and I went across the country twice. And that was my healing trip, and I rebuilt myself in such a beautiful way, and my relationship with my daughter. And it was a wonderful experience. But what I didn't realize in that process, I ended up putting up all these bars around my heart. And I made myself very guarded to love, giving love and receiving love. Well, I met that special person that shattered all of those bars around my heart. And I learned that I could love again. But I didn't realize that I couldn't be loved because I didn't love myself. And about a year ago, things started falling out of my life. And jobs. I was doing too much, and I didn't realize that was my way of distracting myself. I had always held multiple jobs, run my own business. I sat on 3 different nonprofit boards. I volunteered for a couple other nonprofits. That's just who I was. I kept myself very busy to avoid a lot of things. So this guy walks in, breaks all these bars away, and opens up my heart in the best, most beautiful way possible. And then, the betrayal happens and shatters my heart. And I will forever be grateful for that. That catapulted me into the best healing journey of my life. So I lost him. I lost a friend. I lost jobs. I lost a lot of things. I ended up quitting pretty much all of the nonprofits. I lit a match and blew up my world. I just blew it up because, why not at that point? I had been through tower moments before, but I literally decided to blow up the foundation on this one and rebuild stronger and sturdier and more solid than I had ever done before. And part of that was reflecting and looking at all of the parts of me that I never wanted to take a look at. Those ugly moments, those things that you regret doing, and all the things that have happened to you and destroyed you. Those were all the moments that I sat down and I embodied and I looked at, and I ended up rewiring my brain. And it was the ugliest, I'm sure, because there was lots of ugly crying involved, but it was also the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced in my entire life. And I have come out on the other side of that with full unconditional love for myself. I found my power. I now walk in my power. I found my authenticity. I found who I really am, like deep down to my soul. And that is who I am now. The people that knew me a year ago, the people that knew me 6 months ago, they don't recognize me now. They see the glow. They hear how I talk differently about myself. Everything about me is different. I don't put up with the bullshit anymore. I am not a doormat anymore. If you are not able to meet me at my level, you don't stay in my life. And that is the most powerful thing that anybody could ever do. So I highly recommend, if you have not looked at all the parts of you and loved yourself through it and loved yourself anyways, go do it. Don't stop. Go do it. It is not for the faint of heart. It is not pretty, but it is so, so worth it. You will come out on the other side so much stronger. So, if you're looking for your soul purpose, if you're looking for your ultimate love, go find it in yourself, because that's where it is. It doesn't exist outside of you. It's right here.